Hello, my name is Trevor Leonard, and this is my final reflection for my senior capstone class in regards to the BTAS program. When I think back to why I started in the program, I think of quite a few things. I start to think about when I was choosing what college I wanted to attend, and I chose the University of Cincinnati Blue Ash College because I wanted to get a UC degree. I wasn't sure what degree I wanted to pursue at the time, but it had always been a dream of mine to get a college degree. When I found out that UCBA offered a bachelor's degree and I would be able to stay there to complete my degree, I was more than happy to make the decision to start the Applied Administration program at UCBA. I chose to pursue my bachelor's at UC Blue Ash because of the location, because it's near my house. I also like the small class sizes and flexible course schedule with different formats of class, such as online or in person or hybrid. I also chose UC Blue Ash because of the cost benefit. UC Blue Ash costs a lot less than main campus, but you're still getting a high quality UC education. Next, we're going to look at what is the most important takeaway for me from the program. The most important takeaway for me is teamwork. And throughout almost all of the classes in the program, there has been a strong emphasis on working in teams. When we're assigned to teams in class, we're given different tasks and assignments to complete in which everyone's supposed to participate and contribute in some way to the project. Some may put in more work than others, and some might not put in any work at all and rely on the team to accomplish the tasks. I believe that this is something that happens in most businesses, and it'll be something that we'll encounter in our current jobs or even in our future jobs that we'd like to have when we obtain our degree. Throughout working in teams in our program, working through our curriculum, I believe that we were all able to develop our time management skills. Most of us had heavy course loads, workloads, as well as personal lives to live. So we all had to manage our time effectively to make sure that all work was completed by the assigned deadlines. I've been able to excel in my current job because of the skills that I've taken out of this program, and I've gotten better time management skills as well as leadership skills from this program.